Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to annotate documents, study materials or planners, importing PDF files into Goodnotes lets you turn any PDF into an interactive notebook. In this guide I will show you step by step how to import PDF files into Goodnotes in 2026 quickly and correctly. So first thing first, open Goodnotes, launch Goodnotes, go to your main library. This is where all notebooks and files are stored. Imports the PDF files. So method number one, for example, inside Goodnotes, tap New, select Import and choose your PDF file. The PDF will open as a new document. You can also import your From Files app. So open Files app, locate your PDF and tap Share icon and select Open in Goodnotes. So this is if you are using mobile, okay? It automatically imports into your library. Imports via drag and drop. So this is for iPad or Mac. So open Goodnotes, drag the PDF file into the app, and it drops directly into your library or notebook. Okay, you can also import into an existing notebook. So open your notebook, tap Add Page, for example, select Import and choose your PDF. Okay, so it inserts PDF pages into your notebook. There are some common mistakes that people do, like importing unsupported or corrupted files, expecting to edit PDF text directly, not checking file size, importing into wrong notebook, forgetting to organize after import. Okay, so PDFs are, annotation, not full editing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.